Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our Let's Learn Trading channel again. Okay, so today we are going to look at a option strategy for uh, swing trades. Okay, so we are going to buy a call options at support level, or we are going to buy a put options at the resistance level. So we need to find the support and resistance level of an indexes, Nifty or Bank Nifty or any other stocks even. Okay, and then once we able to find out the support or resistance level, we might think that the reversal might going to happen. So because support level will act as support where the market will be going to start move up from that level, or if it is in resistance level, then the particular stock options or stock price is going to move down from the resistance level. Okay, so if it is at support level, we are going to find the support level, and then we are going to buy a call options. And if it is at resistance level, then we are going to buy a put options. Okay, and the key rule is we are not going to buy the current week expiry for sure. Okay, because there will be a theta decay, so that we'll learn in the upcoming videos. Okay, so we should all, if you are going to buy an options for an swing trade which you are going to hold more than 1 day, so then it is preferred at least to go 2 weeks beyond, or go and buy with the monthly options. Okay, so that is where we're going to gain some profit at the option buyings. Okay, okay, so to uh, find the Nifty's support and resistance, I have opened a chart of this Nifty 50's chart with an 1 day candle. Okay, so here you can see that now Nifty is trading around 25 460 okay, 467.80 at 4th of July. Okay, if you look at, so how to find and support and resistance. Okay, so first, what is support and what is resistance? Support is the level where market came to that particular level, and then beyond that market is not moving down, and then it will tend to bounce up. Okay, so that is in support level where most of the buyers will have a positive mindset that below this particular level the market is not going to move down, so most of the buyers will come into the picture, so the price will start moving up. And resistance is nothing but beyond the particular level the market will not move up, so most of the sellers will sell the particular stock options or stock. In that case the market will move down, that is resistance. Okay, so here if you look at this particular 1 day candle, right? So here we can see that around 25,500 levels. Okay, here we can see that market came down to 20 to that level at 22nd of May, and then again it came down to that place at around 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of May, 4th of June, and then again it came down to that place at 13th of June, but all the time it came to this place, it started moving up only. Okay, so but if you look at this same level acted as a resistance multiple times. So here you can see that all these candles acted as a resistance, because beyond this level market is not moving up for some time. It was staying at the same level for this particular period, and then it moving up. So after that, once the market moves up beyond that resistance level with a good volume, so then the resistance which acted earlier will turns into one support level. So now this is the level which acted as a resistance earlier, but that turned into one support level. One, two, three, and four times the price came down to that, but beyond that market doesn't went down. So this is the place we have to buy the call options. We have to buy the call options of at the money, and it should be at least having a 2 weeks to an expiry. Okay, so in that case buy it, hold it for 4 to 5 days, then come out with a profit or loss, whatever it is. Okay, so and always have a last percentage of 20% of the option premium, whatever is you're paying. Okay, so just for an example, now this level is acting as an resistance. Okay, you can see here at 11th of June, 10th, 11th, and 12th of June, the price is trading somewhere around 25,200 levels, and then price is not started moving up beyond that. But after that, at the day of 24th June and 25th June, it touched the resistance level, and then at 26th of June it started moving up, and then it went up till 25,680 levels, and then now the market is slightly moving down to this level. And if you look at the uh, chart patterns, right? I'll just make a big view of a candle for you to understand a bit better. Okay, you can see here after making lot many red candles here, still sellers try to push the price down till around 25 350 levels, but buyers started the price moving up by placing lot many buying orders. So that is this candle pattern indicates us. Okay, so because if it doesn't have an body for whole candle and it have an wick, okay, so which means that sellers moved the price down but buyers have an dominating hand. Due to that the price got moved up. Okay, so just for an example, if we think that the market is at support level and if it is giving us the trend reversal signal, then we can go and buy an at the money, which is 25 400 or 500 levels we can go, and we should go and buy a July month option, call options. Okay, so just for an example, I'll open Nifty 25 500 July expiry call options. If you look at it is trading around 349 rupees, and if you want to buy it, it is 75 rupees per lot. So if you buy it and if you hold for 4 to 5 days, and if the market is going to move up, we'll be going to come out with a profit. And always make sure that you trade the position with an stop loss as well. Okay, so the stop loss should be at least around 20% of the premium. So just for an example, if you have bought this call options at 350 levels, then our SL should be 70 points, which is 20% of this premium, whatever we have paid. Okay, so this is the premium which is available at around 349. Okay, so this is not a trade recommendation, but this is just an educational purpose. I'm telling you an example how to trade it. Okay, so we will be buying in call options at support level, and we'll be buying the put options at the resistance level. Maybe tomorrow if the market goes up to this level, and this level might act as an resistance. Okay, so the market might not move beyond this level for some times, because this is having a resistance level at this. Because how I am saying is because even previously, if I look at this, right, you can see here, so this level somewhat here it acted as an resistance earlier as well. So due to that this might act as an resistance for some more times. Again, like, this is not a trade advice. Okay, so if you feel that it is going to act as an resistance at this level, then you can buy and put options. Okay, so just for an example, it is at 25,700 levels. So maybe I'll just even open 25,700 put options, 25,700 put. And I forgot to tell you one thing. The CE represents call options and PE represent put options. If you think market is going to move up, we'll go and buy the CE, which is call options. And if you think market is going to move down, then we'll be going to buy a PE, which is an put options. So you can see that 25,700 put option is trading around 388 level. Maybe while we are going, while the market comes to this level, this price will have a different level. Okay, so at that price we can buy it, and then we can place the stop loss for that particular position, and then we can wait for 3 to 4 days or 4 5 days, and then we can come out with a profit or loss, whatever it is. Okay, so this is for today, and tomorrow let's see with one more option strategies or whatever it is possible. So thanks everyone for watching, friends, and hope you're liking our videos for this educational content. And thanks everyone for watching again. Do like our videos, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and support us, and also share with your trading friends. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching again, and happy trading.